So Gonu, how's the movie? We drink this Korean green tea. Gonu की definition में all laddus are same. Young is wearing his kimono.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा.
Good morning, guys. We just woke up. We woke up really late. It's around. We woke. I think Youngjae and I woke up at 8. Gonu woke up at 4. Actually, Youngjae woke up at 4 because yesterday night we forgot to make him wear his night diaper, and I think he must have woken up around 4 o'clock because now he's very conscious about peeing in his pants and things like that. So I think he woke up because he wanted to go to the he wanted to pee, but if you take him to the washroom he doesn't do that. So anyhow, we made him wear the diaper, and then he slept again. Every time I wash my face I have to moisturize my face, and I just wanted to show you what I moisturize with my face with these days. So I am using this green tea balancing cream from Innisfree these days. And then I ordered this new sunscreen. So I forgot my sunscreen that I was using earlier that I bought from Korea, the Sunstick actually that I use and I really like. I forgot that in my Gurgaon house, so I had to order one. And I usually use Neutrogena, but I just saw this new sunscreen on Amazon, and it is like a gel-based sunscreen, so I just wanted to try it. So I've been using this, and this is actually made in India. That's what I was seeing. Where is the brand from? So it's an Indian brand. It looks good, and to be very frank, not so bad. Like, it actually feels like a this thing. What do you call it? Morning, good morning. What were you watching on your phone?
Some news.
I think ठंडा है इसको अंदर करता.
तो धूप है ना इसलिए I'm trying to block his wind.
Gonu, like sun is out, that means it's warm. But I'm actually feeling cold. I'm going to wear a jacket and breakfast made by Daddy. Daddy, let's see your burnt sandwiches.
Because I'm eating this side.
So Gonu, how's the movie?
우리는 밥이 important 않아요.
Flying Popo. Just give Flying Popo. Flying Popo to everyone. Are? Let me show you what is happening in a garden these days. These bougainvilleas are looking so pretty. अभी ये white वाले निकले नहीं हैं, but they will also come out. And look at the pink ones out there. I mean, they're going to fill up more with flowers. And there it is. And maybe later in the day I'll show you from outside because mostly it's visible from outside. Oh, this is such a good time. It's cold, but the sun is nice and bright. And a Youngjae. Got stuck. I'm enjoying the sun and drinking my green tea. Let me show you the green tea that we usually drink. We drink this Korean green tea. It's called Hyunmi Nokcha. It's pretty common in Korea and you can easily find it everywhere. And it's a very mild green tea. It's actually 70% some rice flakes and 30% is green tea. And so you can see like it's not really green in color, and this is like the first time I'm using this tea bag. And yeah, so it's slightly brownish in color, and it's actually not very strong. You can sip on it like the whole day. We usually use one tea bag per day, and we just keep sipping on it the whole day. Instead of drinking normal water, this is what we usually drink in winters. You are up. Uri Youngji is up from his nap. Oh, you want to sleep next to mommy? You want to lie down next to mommy? Oh, look at you. What is this? What is this going on? We just woke up from our nap, guys. It's 2:45, and look at the amount of sun in this room. And look at this boy having a good time on his bed after nap time. Youngji, the sun is so nice and bright. We'll go out and eat our lunch on that bed.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Moon cow.
Youngji, what is daddy eating? You don't want to eat what daddy is eating? Ooh, let's see. What is daddy
What?
eating? Daddy, please tell us, what are you eating?
Korean curry, but with an Indian noodle.
So guys, we are back on our spot outside on the terrace. The sun is so nice and bright, and the upper se view of what it looks niche downstairs. And Youngji has finished his lunch, and I am going to drink green tea. So guys, who all are still eating their Diwali mithai? So my mom had made these besan ka laddus before Diwali. I think on Choti Diwali or a day before Choti Diwali. And the only person hogging on them is me. My dad has diabetes, so he can't eat. Gonu, how many have you eaten? Huh? Have you eaten? Zero. But you should try, right? This time, he's never eaten besan ka laddu. These laddus are different. They are not Gond ka laddu.
Not.
Gonu ki definition mein all laddus are same. And man, oh God. I think whoever says that his Hindi is very good, yes, his Hindi is very good, but his Indian food eating habits are nothing close to my Korean food eating habits. I mean, I don't know why we judge people only with the amount of language they know. I think we should also appreciate people with the amount of foreign food or of a food of a different country that they can eat. He gets so much appreciation for knowing Hindi, and I get barely anything for cooking and eating Korean food.
Korean, not whole day.
What should I do?
Talking Korean whole day.
Why should I? You eat Indian whole day? Let's see.
Hard
You
to
eat
have.
Indian food whole day? Whole day.
Almost, yeah.
Please.
Yesterday,
Please, Vanu.
Yesterday breakfast was
What was breakfast? Breakfast was chila, lunch was curry chawal, but what was dinner?
chicken tikka.
Chicken
So again,
tikka.
everything was dinner.
Chicken tikka is Indian, but he wouldn't, because he would not eat normal Indian food. Then you have to give him something fancier. We are not going to argue over here on this.
It was Indian food.
It was Indian food, by the way, but it rarely happens. If we are in Gurgaon, he will get Korean food once in a day for sure. And please, when I was living in Korea, guys, I never ever complained about not getting Indian food. I don't think so. I even missed Indian food. I was eating Korean food so well. I mean, that's a rarity, I guess. But I was eating Korean food so well. Did I even want? I mean, my friends used to ask me, "Oh, let's go to the Indian restaurant." I never had the urge to go to Indian restaurant.
I'm very proud of you.
Yeah. Anyway. Also, guys, my Korean is not very poor. My understanding of Korean is not bad, right?
No.
I think so.
70%.
70%. My speaking has become worse very bad because I don't talk much. I don't have anyone to talk to. He speaks in Hindi all the time.
Yeah, because that's the problem. I'm very selfish here because I only talk in my own way. I don't give a chance to talk in Korean.
No, that's not true. That's not selfish. That's not selfish or anything. It's more to do with like what comes naturally to you. What works naturally
I mean,
in a
I don't
couple.
give a
No,
chance to speak.
it's more about what works naturally in a couple. Frankly, always there is one who will try harder than the other one in terms of language. I think in mixed couples.
Please remember, she's a nice one.
Nobody is saying that you are the nice one, I am the bad one. Ah, guys, we totally went. We didn't go off topic, but anyways, since I told you guys that I will get some comments from Ghonu regarding green tea, which I'm again still drinking. So I already told them that this is Korean green tea and this is what we drink the whole day. And I also told them that a lot of people usually ask me, do Koreans or East Asians drink? I mean, usually they are specifically for Koreans because they know that I'm married to a Korean. That do Koreans drink green tea all the time? Like,
Answer is no. Korean doesn't drink green tea whole day. They rather have at home. They rather have barley tea.
guys, barley tea is this thing called boricha. It's called in Korean. It's called boricha, and it comes in a much larger packet than this green tea packet actually.
Yeah. I think 4 times bigger than this.
Yeah.
So while you're boiling water, you put inside the pot, and then once everything boils, tea is made. So you drink it as a water.
And you boil very large quantities of water, like 1 liter of water. Right?
Yeah. So you keep in the butter and you keep drinking.
Yeah.
You keep in the fridge. Not like tea ways.
So that is what they drink the whole day. It's not
So
actually green tea.
It's a whole day also. It's also depends on the house to house. Some houses they only drink the normal water, but some houses they drink particularly those waters also. There's other kinds of tea which some people drink. In my house also, I don't remember which one. Not barley.
I mean, so Gon was busy on a call and I was also busy on a call. Meanwhile, Youngju found an activity for himself. खींच के बाहर से लेके आया अंदर से this sheet. You want to wear a dress? Should I make you wear a dress, Young Jay? Mama will make you wear this dress. Young Jay is wearing his kimono. What are you doing, Young Jay? Look at yourself. दिखा तो दो एक बार. नहीं. Now should I put it again? You want me to put it again? Let people see that you want me to put it again. Mama doesn't always torture you. Guys, in the background, please notice the sky is so blue today.
Get back!
I know. Youngjae, bye bye. Show bye bye. Show flying popo. Flying kiss. Once more, please. Please, Youngjae. Flying kiss. Aww. Aww. So guys, since he gave you a flying kiss, since he gave you a flying kiss, we are going to say bye bye. Anyhow, so we are going to end the day over here because we are tired, and even though it's not very late, but we had a lot of things to do today. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. Good night.